Travel is more than just moving from one place to another. It's a journey into the unknown, a dance with unfamiliar cultures, and a way to discover parts of ourselves we never knew existed. Whether it's the thrill of exploring hidden alleys in a bustling city, or the serenity of watching a sunset over a remote mountain, travel offers a tapestry of experiences that enrich the soul and broaden the mind. Thank you for stopping by Beyond Horizon. We're thrilled to have you here, and we can't wait to share content that inspires, entertains, and adds a little extra spark to your day. Your support means the world to us.
Thailand, known for its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and delicious cuisine, is increasingly becoming a haven for vegan travelers. While Bangkok and Chiang Mai are well known for their bustling vegan scenes, there's a wealth of plant-based treasures to be discovered in Thailand's smaller cities and regions. This guide will take you off the beaten path to explore some of the lesser-known vegan restaurants and markets across the country, offering a unique glimpse into Thailand's growing vegan movement. Vegan delights in Nan Province. Nestled in the northern part of Thailand, Nan Province is a hidden gem that offers a rich cultural experience along with an emerging vegan scene. While this region may not be the first to come to mind for vegan travelers, it has several spots that are worth visiting. One standout is Crossroads Nan, a charming restaurant offering a variety of vegan options. Their menu features locally sourced ingredients, with dishes like stir-fried tofu with basil and fresh spring rolls. The owner is passionate about healthy eating, and the cozy atmosphere makes it a great spot for a relaxing meal after exploring the nearby temples and nature trails. The Nan Organic Farmers Market is another must-visit for vegans. Held every Saturday morning, this market offers fresh, organic produce, homemade vegan snacks, and an opportunity to interact with local farmers. It's a fantastic way to support the community while stocking up on healthy, plant-based goodies. Kanchanaburi's vegan scene. Famous for the bridge on the River Kwai and its stunning national parks, Kanchanaburi is also home to a growing vegan community. Although small, the vegan scene here is vibrant and full of surprises. On's Thai Isan is a well-loved restaurant in the heart of Kanchanaburi town, offering an entirely vegan menu. On, the owner, has crafted a menu that includes traditional Thai dishes like som tam, papaya salad, and pad Thai, all made with vegan-friendly ingredients. The portions are generous, and the flavors are authentically Thai, making it a favorite among locals and travelers alike. For those looking to cook their own meals, the Kanchanaburi Fresh Market is an excellent place to find fresh vegetables, tofu, and other vegan essentials. The market is bustling in the early morning hours, providing a true taste of local life. Phitsanulok's vegan offerings. Phitsanulok, often considered a gateway to the historical parks of Sukhodai, is another city where vegan options are beginning to flourish. The city's culinary scene is deeply rooted in tradition, but it is also embracing modern dietary trends like veganism. Van Mai Vegetarian Restaurant is a hidden treasure located near the city center. This small, family-run establishment offers an array of vegan and vegetarian dishes, from hearty curries to fresh salads. The use of herbs and spices in their cooking is exceptional, and they offer a variety of Thai desserts that are naturally vegan. Phitsanulok also hosts a lively night market where you can find an array of vegan street food. Look out for vendors selling kanam krok, coconut pancakes, and grilled sticky rice with banana, both of which are delicious vegan treats. Saken Nakhon, a vegan oasis in Asan. Saken Nakhon, located in the northeastern region of Thailand known as Asan, is an area rich in culture and tradition. Although veganism is not widely recognized here, there are still some notable spots for vegan travelers. The Greens is a quaint cafe in Saken Nakhon that offers a selection of vegan-friendly dishes. Their smoothies and salads are made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients, and they also serve vegan versions of traditional Thai dishes. The cafe's laid-back vibe and friendly staff make it a perfect spot to unwind. The city's Saken Nakhon Organic Market is another highlight, especially for those looking to explore local produce. This market focuses on organic and sustainable products, offering a variety of fruits, vegetables, and grains that are perfect for creating your own vegan meals. Surat Thani's vegan finds. While Surat Thani is often considered just a gateway to the islands of Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, and Koh Tao, the city itself has some hidden vegan gems worth exploring. Karma Cafe is a vegan-friendly cafe located in the heart of Surat Thani. Known for its creative menu, Karma Cafe offers dishes like vegan burgers, wraps, and smoothies, all made with fresh ingredients. The cafe also has a strong commitment to sustainability, using eco-friendly packaging and sourcing ingredients locally whenever possible. For those interested in exploring local markets, the Surat Thani Night Market is a fantastic place to find vegan street food. From fresh fruit smoothies to grilled corn and vegetable skewers, there are plenty of plant-based options to satisfy your hunger. Trang, an unexpected vegan haven. Trang, a lesser-known province in southern Thailand, is an emerging destination for vegan travelers. With its beautiful beaches and unique culinary traditions, Trang offers a different side of Thailand's vegan scene. Rim Tang Vegetarian Restaurant is a popular spot among locals. Although primarily vegetarian, the restaurant offers a wide selection of vegan dishes, including stir-fries, curries, and soups. The food is flavorful and affordable, making it a great option for budget travelers. Trang also hosts several markets where you can find fresh produce and vegan snacks. The Trang Municipal Market is particularly worth visiting for its variety of fruits, vegetables, and ready-to-eat vegan dishes. Thailand's vegan scene is blossoming not just in the well-trodden paths of Bangkok and Chiang Mai but also in its smaller cities and regions. Whether you're exploring the cultural riches of Nan, the historical significance of Phitsanulok, or the hidden beauty of Trang, you'll find that vegan options are increasingly available, offering a unique and delicious way to experience the country's diverse culinary heritage. By venturing off the beaten path and exploring these lesser-known vegan restaurants and markets, you'll not only discover new flavors but also support local communities and contribute to the growing demand for sustainable, plant-based food options in Thailand. So, pack your bags and embark on a vegan adventure across the land of smiles, where every meal is a step toward a healthier, more compassionate world.
Thank you for taking the time to visit. Your support means the world to us. Hit subscribe and get ready for exciting future contents that we can't wait to share with you.